Hey everyone, in this video we are talking about negative exponents, and negative exponents really are not so bad. So let's say we had y to the negative 1. All you need to do is make the exponent positive and put it as the denominator under 1 as the numerator. So y to the negative 1 will be equivalent to 1 over y to the power of 1. And y to the power of 1, you just leave that as y. If it had been y to the negative 2, you do exactly the same method, 1 over y to the power of, make that positive 2. Sometimes you'll see it where even though it's in a fraction already, let's say we had x over z to the negative 4, you might see it as a negative in the denominator. So what you do is kind of the same method. Think of that as being x times 1 over z to the negative 4. Just like when we had up here, we put it 1 over. We're kind of doing the opposite of that. We would bring the z to the top, make it positive, and put it over 1 in the bottom. Z to the negative 4 would be 1 over z to the positive 4. 1 over z to the negative 4 would be equal to z to the positive 4 over 1 to be equal to z to the positive 4. Let's do another example. Say we have x to the negative 3, y to the 6th over p to the negative 6. This y to the power of 6, it's already a positive exponent, so we don't really have to do anything. That's going to stay. X to the negative 3, we'll say that's equal to 1 over x to the positive 3, and that 1 is being multiplied by y. P to the negative 6, well, that's 1 over p to the positive 6. When you divide by a fraction, you have to flip and multiply, which will bring our p to the power of positive 6 to the top, and its 1 associated with it will go on the bottom. We don't really need all those 1's in there. So we would say this is equal to y to the 6 p to the 6 over x cubed.